Hi, my name is Sam Mangino. I'm the staff writer for Home here at Reviewed, and today we're going to be reviewing the Thuma Bed. Here's what you need to know about the Thuma Bed. The Thuma Bed is a popular platform-style bed that is made of solid wood and comes with either a pillowboard or a wooden headboard. The design uses Japanese joinery techniques that interlock together rather than have the need for bolts and screws. The base of the Thuma Bed features wooden slats, so you don't need a box spring. Here's a few things we like about the Thuma Bed. First, it's easy to assemble. The bed comes with about 9 pieces, including 2 hand-tightened screws. The pieces all lock together to create a solid base for your bed. The instructions that come with the Thuma Bed are super clear and concise. It's easy to understand how it translates from the instruction manual to the real world. The most difficult part about the assembly was laying the slats over the top. I did this solo, but I highly recommend finding someone to help you do it. The Thuma Bed is crafted from really high quality materials. When I was looking to purchase a new bed, I knew I wanted something made of solid wood that would last us decades, not just years. And the Thuma Bed is made out of really high quality solid wood that is so sturdy and can hold up to 1,000 pounds. The Thuma Bed is also the perfect height. I've steered clear of platform beds before because usually they're just too low to the ground and you don't get great underbed storage. However, the frame is 9 inches off the ground, so there's plenty of room for underbed storage. I also think that the Thuma Bed is the perfect height. When I sit on the edge of it, my feet touch the ground and it's very comfortable getting up every morning. Although we really like the Thuma Bed, there are a couple things to just be aware of when purchasing it. First, it ships in different boxes. The frame itself comes in 2 different boxes, and then the headboard comes in a third. This means that the pieces can often arrive at different times, which Thuma's site does warn you about. Also, just to be aware of, the frame boxes each weigh about 60 pounds. When I received the Thuma Bed, the boxes arrived all at different times. So at first we received 1 piece of the frame and the headboard, and we were still waiting for that second piece of the frame. It took up a lot of space in our apartment and was particularly heavy, so it was kind of a pain to wait around for that third box to come. It's not a huge flaw with the product, but it was a little frustrating to have to wait for that third piece to arrive. Also, the Thuma Bed is heavy and pretty difficult to move. We love that the Thuma Bed is made out of solid wood. It's what makes it so sturdy. However, it really does contribute to the heft of the bed. While I'm lucky to live in a first floor apartment, carrying the boxes up even just 1 set of stairs was really difficult. My biggest piece of advice for the Thuma Bed is to build it in the exact spot that you plan on using it, because once it's built, you're just not going to be able to move it. Overall, the pros are, it's easy to assemble, the Thuma Bed is crafted from sturdy, high-quality materials, and it's the perfect height. While the cons are, it ships in different pieces, and it's heavy and difficult to move once built. Should you buy the Thuma Bed? Yes, it's a thoughtfully designed, well-crafted bed frame. In my search for a bed frame, I found the Thuma Bed to be the best overall value. It's made out of beautiful solid wood that you can really tell has been thoughtfully crafted, and the fact that it requires no hardware to put together makes it so easy. It's exceptionally sturdy once it's built, and I know that it's going to last us for years and years to come. While it does cost around $1,300 for a queen-size bed, we really like that the bed doesn't require any tools for assembly and instead interlocks together. Plus, there's a lifetime warranty on the bed and the slats, so if they become damaged, Thuma will replace the parts. The final result of this bed frame is a sturdy piece of furniture that will last for years and years to come. For the full review, head to reviewed.com, and thanks for watching.